Hello, everybody, and welcome to Bell CB. We're doing a tune-up report today on the Galaxy DX979F. This is for Bart. He's here in Florida. All right, starting with the power, turned all the way down. All right, now we'll come up here. 10 watts on top scale. All the way down is 1. If I turn it all the way up, we get 6. My peak power over here on this 50 watt slide, we're looking at right in the middle scale there. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. Okay, and let's take it to sideband, turn the volume down on that radio. Audio, check. Audio. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me make that a little bigger here. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. There we go. So that's the power levels. Let's pop it on the antenna real fast. Hey, breaker went. On sideband. There we go. Hey, breaker went 9 for radio check.
10-1 sounds good.
10-1 sounds good. Thank you very much. Have a great day.